Welcome you all. This is going in the morning, yeah, guys. Another quick and easy breakfast menu. We have a saltfish over here, so I boil. Have some Cersei tea, good old Cersei. Purge out your body. Callaloo, cut up quick and easy breakfast. Down a yard, yeah, in a Pally's little kitchen. Yes, guys, so the callaloo gets sort out. See it there? You know, we're going to put all of this thing here with the callaloo. I have a little piece of bell pepper, sweet pepper, some onion, tomato, and a piece of scotch bonnet pepper just to release that flavor. Don't use the seed, guys, because you know when you use the seed, it's hot. But I have to put a little piece of the seed in it, and you know me, I put some pumpkin nice and pretty, and a little piece of saltfish. Yeah, so we have put all of this together, guys. Yeah, man, that are going down a yard, yeah. Quick and easy breakfast. We have this with some caramel dumpling and a piece of pumpkin. Alongside our Cersei tea. Yeah, man, I saw we do it down a yard, yeah. Pot a bubble over here, so. Zoom in, make them see what I go on. Yes, my peeps. This is going in the morning. Caramel dumpling. Alongside 2 pieces of pumpkin. Yes, guys. Quick and easy breakfast, we say, eh? No long thing. Yes, guys, I'm about to steam my greens now. Steam your greens. You don't cook your greens. So I'm using a spoon of butter. I'm not using any oil. Not using any oil to steam my greens. Using a spoon of butter. I'm gonna put in my herb seasoning now just to release those flavor. As I tell you, it's a quick and easy breakfast meal. Putting in some thyme, springtime, fresh springtime. I just want to release those flavor before I put in my callaloo. So this is our saltfish that we are using. Have a lot of flavor too. See that, guys? Smelling that flavor. Oh my God. Pumpkin. Putting in your callaloo last because you don't want your callaloo to. As I say, guys, we're steaming our callaloo. We're not cooking it. I'm gonna go ahead now with my callaloo. Yeah. This is how we do it down here, down a yard, yeah, in a Pally's little kitchen. That I go on in my morning, guys. Quick and easy breakfast meal. That we are roll with. Have this with some caramel dumpling. So I'm putting in a chips of salt. You know the saltfish have salt in it. Plus the butter that I use, it have salt. So I'm just putting in a chips of salt. Nothing more. You don't need any season. You don't need any powder season. The saltfish is already flavored the callaloo. So we don't need any powder season. Just a chips of salt. Alright, so I'm gonna allow that to steam. So our easy breakfast meal is finished. And we're going to dive into some of it right now. Oh, look at that. Nice and lovely. So guys, prep time is 10 minutes. And cook time is 10 minutes. Remember, you don't cook your greens, you steam it. You want all that nutrients that it is going to give you. So you don't want to cook out all of that nutrients out of your vegetable. Alright? So this is our Cersei. Cersei tea, purge out the body in the morning, yeah? Food pot over here, so. Dumpling and pumpkin. Yeah, man, we're going to dive into some of this right now. So remember to strain your Cersei tea off before you mix it. And I am using some molasses to mix my Cersei tea. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of molasses. Depending on the amount of tea that you're mixing still. Because you may not really want it sweet. Breakfast is finished. We're going to dive into this now. You know, nothing like a good belly full, a good breakfast meal. Full up your belly in the morning before you start your work. But here we are going now, guys. This takes less than an hour to prepare. So it's nothing long. And this is some Cersei tea we have over here. So good old Cersei. Purge out the body. Yeah, some Cersei tea mixed with molasses. I don't peel my pumpkin. I love the skin on my pumpkin. All I do is just use a Scotch Brite to wash off my pumpkin skin. That's all I do. But if you don't like the skin on your pumpkin, you can go ahead and peel it. And peel it off. I don't peel off my pumpkin skin. I want the vitamin. So you know that's where the vitamin, the nutrients and everything come from. So you know, I have to work with the skin. So yes guys, this is a quick and easy breakfast meal. As I tell you, less than an hour to prepare. Yeah man, you better you eat a good breakfast in the morning before you start your journey at work. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Because guess what guys, you don't want to miss nothing that is going on down a yard in a Polly's little kitchen. You want to know so every time I do a new dish, you first get the notification. Yeah? Yeah man, that's a go on guys. So you want to know. You all have a blessed day. I'm going to dive in some of this right now.